Imagine waking up and feeling excited to use new English words every day. Learning vocabulary isn't just about memorizing lists. It's about finding words that fit your life, your world, and your daily routine. Let's start with one simple step. Pick 5 new words today. Choose words you hear often or words you want to use but aren't sure how. Write them down and read them aloud. Picture yourself using each word in a real conversation. Now, let's build sentences. For each word, try making a sentence that describes your day or an activity you enjoy. If the word is delicious, you might say, "This breakfast is delicious." If it's busy, try, "I am busy with my homework." The key is to connect the word to your own experiences. This makes the word stick and helps you remember it tomorrow. But how do you improve your speaking and sound more natural? Here's where shadowing comes in. Shadowing means listening to someone speak English, maybe a podcast, a favorite TV character, or even me, and immediately repeating what you hear. Try to match the speed, rhythm, and emotion. At first, it might feel strange, but it's one of the fastest ways to train your brain and speak with confidence. Ready to try it with me? Let's say a sentence together. It's important to practice English every day. Now you repeat, it's important to practice English every day. Let's try another. I enjoy learning new words. Repeat. I enjoy learning new words. Every day, challenge yourself to use new words and shadow sentences you hear. This small practice will make a big difference. If you enjoyed this episode, please share it with your friends. Your support inspires me to create even more helpful content. Stay tuned for the next series. I'll be back with more tips to make your English journey fun and easy.